Srivastava teaching you Maths of Class 10 NCERT. Chapter 4 Quadratic Equation. In previous lecture, I have explained about the completing square method and quadratic formula. Now you will study the 4.3 exercise, last two questions. Question number 10 is given: an express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger trains to travel 132 km between the Mysore and Bangalore. Without taking into consideration of the time taking, they stop immediately in intermediate stations. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km more than the speed of the passenger train, find the speed of the two trains. It is given here that two trains, one is passenger and one is express. Both are covering the distance, but one speed is, if you take the x km per hour, then the other speed will be x plus 11 km per hour. By this, the difference between these two trains to cover this distance is difference between the time. So time is equal to distance upon speed. 132 kilometer is the distance. So time taken by the express train will be distance upon speed 132 upon what is the express train speed? X plus 11 hours. Time taken by the passenger train will be distance upon speed, that will be 132 upon x hours. Because passenger train is going slow, so it will take more time than the, according to the problem it is given, time of the passenger train and time of express train both differ by 1 hour. It is given in the question. Both differ by 1 hour, it is given in the question. So you put the value here. 132 upon x minus 132 upon x plus 11 is equal to 1. Convert into the quadratic by taking LCM. You will get is equal to 1. So 132 is common, so x plus 11 minus x is equal to upon x square plus 11x is equal to 1. These two x will be cancelled. So x square plus 11x is equal to 11 into 132. 11 into 132, 11 2 is 22, 11 3 is 33 plus 2, 35, 11 1 is 11 and 3, 40, 1452. So you will transpose it and solve it by the middle term factorization or by quadratic formula. Quadratic formula, if you apply, then a is equal to 1, b is equal to 11, c is equal to minus 1452. So you will find out the discriminant. What is the discriminant? B square minus 4ac. What is the b square? 11 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1452. 11 11 ja 121, minus minus plus 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20, 4 4 ja 16 and 2 18, 4 1 ja 4 and 1 5. So your 8 plus 1 9, 2 8 plus 1 9, 5 9 2 9. 5 9 2 9 is greater than d. So roots means that you can calculate minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Put the values minus 11 plus minus under root 5929 upon 2 into 1. 5929, you will find out the this here method square root. 8 8 ja 64, 7 7 ja 49, 7 7 ja 49 and you will get this 14. So by 7, 77. You will get again by 7, 7 7 ja 49, 4 7 4 ja 28 plus 4 32. You will get this 77 is the square root in 8th standard we know. So you are getting minus 11 plus minus 77 upon 2. So one value of x will be minus 11 plus 77 upon 2. That gives you 66 by 2, 33. And another value is equal to minus 11 minus 77 by 2 gives you minus 2. That is minus 44, which will be reject. Why reject? The speed will be not negative. But answer is coming here. But here negative answer you will not take it to speed. So what is the speed of the passenger train? The speed of the passenger train is equal to x 33 km per hour. 33 km per hour. The speed of the express train is equal to x plus 11. 33 plus 11, 44 km per hour. There is a two answers you are getting for this question. Question number 10. Now you will see the question number 11. And are getting you here also you are getting 44, but don't write from here. From here you will write. So now we will see the question number 11. Sum of the question number 11 you will see sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meter square. Sum of the areas of two square all the sides are equal. We know it, square all the sides are equal. So sum of the square of two squares is 468. Sum of the areas of two squares. So let the side of bigger square Vx and smaller Vy. So area of big square will be x square and area of small square will be y square, side into side. It is the question given. So area of the two squares you will write down 468. Sum of the areas of two squares. So according to the problem it is given area of big square plus area of small square is equal to 468. It is given in the question. If the difference of their perimeter is 24, if the difference of their perimeter, now it is the equation first. If difference of their second equation, ATP first it is given and ATP second is given, perimeter of big minus perimeter of small is equal to 24, it is given. The perimeter of small, difference of their perimeter is 24 meter. So perimeter of big means 4 into side. 4x minus 4y is equal to 24. Then what is the 4 common? X minus y is 24. Then what is the x minus y? 6. 4, 6 is 24. So what will you get by this? X is equal to 6 plus y. It is the second equation. The side of the, it means the relation between the big square and the small square is given by the difference of their perimeters. 4x minus 4y is equal to 24, so x is equal to 6 plus y. By first and second means put the value of x from second in first. So what will you write? At the place of x you can write 6 plus y whole square plus y square is equal to 468. So 36 plus 12y plus y square plus y square a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to minus 468 is equal to 0. Transpose it. So you are getting 2y square plus 12y minus 8 minus 6 2. 8 minus 6 2. 6 minus 3 3. And 4 432. So simplify y square plus 6y minus 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2, 2 6 the 12. 216 is equal to 0. You are getting a quadratic polynomial whose variable is y. You can solve it by middle term, or again you use the quadratic formula. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 6, C is equal to minus 216. Calculate the discriminant. B square minus 4AC, 6 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 216. So 36 is plus 864. 900. So roots are equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2. So you put the value minus 6 plus minus under root 900 divided by 2 into 1. So minus 6 plus minus 30. 900. So x is equal to minus 6 plus 30 by 2 gives you 24. 24 by 2, that is 12. X is equal to minus 6 minus 30 by 2 gives you minus 36 by 2 minus 18. That is reject. This you must so reject. So 12 is one answer you are getting. 12 you are getting x. So therefore what you are getting is small square, side of small square, side of small square is equal to y. Side of a small square is equal to y. So how will you get the y? X by second equation. X is equal to 6 plus y. What is x? 12. 12 is equal to, not x1. Wait. Here you are getting variable is y, so here you will not get x, you will get the y. So bigger square you are getting, side it is 12, small square y, then by second x is equal to 6 plus 12 and you are getting 18. So there is a two answer. Small square is 12 centimeter and big square is, because the variable used is here y, so here the root will be the root of y, value of y, not x. By mistake I have written x, so you will see it is the y. So there is a answer you are getting. Find the side of two square. One square is 12 centimeter, 12 meter, and the another square is 18 meter. This is the two answer you are getting. Y. By mistake if you write x, then it will be wrong. Okay. Thanks, and this is finish your this exercise. Thanks.